how to turn off the click sound on your iPod. Hello and welcome to Videojug. You won't get kicked out of the library for the clicking noise on your iPod, but if you don't want to hear it, follow these easy steps to turn it off. Step 1. Main menu. If you aren't already on the main menu, keep pressing the menu button until you are. Move your finger along the click wheel to highlight Settings. Click on the center of the click wheel to make your selection. Step 2. The clicker. Slide your finger along the click wheel to highlight Clicker. Click on the center of the click wheel to make your selection. Now, only you can hear your iPod. Done.